Dear students, welcome. Today we continue our lesson from class 6th science subject, living organisms and their surroundings. In today's lesson you will learn about habitat and its components. Dear students, what is habitat? The place or surroundings where a plant or animal lives is called its habitat. A habitat provides food, water, air, light, shelter, that is protection, and a place for breeding to the plants and animals living in it. A habitat provides everything to the organisms which they need to live. Some of the examples of habitats are forests, grasslands, gardens, deserts, hills, fields, soil, homes, trees, rivers, sea, ponds, lake, and seashore. A plant or an animal is adapted to survive in its habitat. All the habitats can be divided into two main groups. Number 1, terrestrial habitat, and number 2, aquatic habitat. A land-based habitat is called a terrestrial habitat. The animals and plants which live on land are said to live in a terrestrial habitat. Examples of terrestrial habitats are deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands, gardens, field, soil, and homes. Here is an example. A cactus plant and a camel live in a dry land called a desert. So we can say that cactus and camel live in a terrestrial habitat. Then there is second type of habitat, that is aquatic habitat. A water-based habitat is called an aquatic habitat. The plants and animals which live in water are said to live in an aquatic habitat. Examples are pond, lake, river, swamps, and oceans. And here's a list of different plants and animals having different habitats. So firstly, there are different animals and their habitat, and second, plants and their habitat. Like earthworm, its habitat is soil, rat, homes, snake, forests, fish, river, streams, camel, desert, whale, sea. Likely plant and its habitats: hydrilla, it is a plant found in ponds, algae, ponds, sunflower, fields, cactus, desert, rose, gardens or garden, and seaweeds in the sea. Now, what are the components of a habitat? In a habitat, soil, water, air, and many other components of physical environment are also present. Thus, a habitat includes both biotic and abiotic components of the environment. The habitat also includes the interaction between the biotic and abiotic components of the environment. Here is a picture showing biotic and abiotic components of a habitat. Biotic components include living things and abiotic components include non-living things. Now, what are biotic components? The term biotic means living. So the living things in a habitat or its biotic components, these are plants, animals, and microorganisms. Thus, the living things such as plants, animals, and microorganisms in a habitat are known as its biotic factors or biotic components. Then there are abiotic components. The term abiotic means non-living. The various non-living things in a habitat are soil, rocks, air, water, sunlight, and temperature. They are called abiotic components or abiotic factors of the habitat. The soil is an abiotic component and it provides various nutrients such as nitrogen for the growth of plants. Similarly, air provides carbon dioxide gas to the plants for making food. Water is also an abiotic component. It is required by the plants to make food. Sunlight provides energy to the plants to make food by the process of photosynthesis. Similarly, temperature or heat is required for the germination of seeds to grow into new plants. The abiotic factors such as air, water, sunlight, and temperature, these are very important for the growth of plants. With this, we came to the end of today's topic. Stay blessed, take care of yourself, and thank you for watching.